question Mashasha then has helped my brother, because you might have arrived late. In the Constitution, there is no position of the second deputy president. So it is like something that does not exist, or fake news. The issue of the MPC. Firstly, the goal of the MPC was to push the ruling party below 50%. That goal was achieved. The second goal was to form an alternative government should the MPC get 50% plus one. The second goal was not achieved. There has never been a meeting which disbanded the MPC, except the media statement, the media briefing, where the Action SA declared that they are withdrawing. But practically, when the MPC was formed to, as a second goal, form an alternative government, and that goal is not achieved, automatically, the MPC has reached its logical end of the journey. Now, your question is, what will ensure that the GNU succeed? I can assure you, my brother, I'm speaking on behalf of the IFP. The IFP will go to the Government of National Unity with commitment to take our country forward. These leaders of the IFP have been part of many intensive study tours to countries like Denmark, to countries like Germany, learning about good practices that sustains coalition government. As I said, Denmark is almost 100 years under coalition government. They have experienced it for a century. They know what makes a coalition government work and also not to work. If you go to Germany, you were a team of political parties, different political parties. And for your information, well, let me just not bring in the names of other parties, but in Denmark, it was a combination broadly of the parties to look at how Denmark has succeeded for over 100 years. Oh, but anyway, this is public information. It was the ANC, it was the DA, it was the EFF, it was the IFP, and other smaller parties. You can judge for yourselves. In Germany, DA, IFP, Action SA, Freedom Front Plus, and other smaller parties. Why did we do that? We wanted to prepare for the coming time because we knew there is no turning back to where we are today. I want to assure the people of South Africa that we have good leaders as a country. We managed to bring an end to violence, which was costing life of our people. We can't fail to work together, having done a remarkable step of bringing harmony amongst the people of South Africa. You see, our ears hear when the people speak. The electorate said, find yourself, get the common ground, work together and take our country. It's a simple message. I have confidence because at the local government level, there are successful coalition governments, let alone those who have challenges, but there are successful coalition governments. You know them, who always form the quorum, pass the budget, get projects done, commission them, and hand it over to people. Life is going on. That is why people have trust in the IFP, because they see how it performs in the municipalities we govern through coalition. So now, from the IFP points of view, we just don't have a worry that it might not work out. The principle that makes a coalition government work, as I conclude, engagement, and engagement, and engagement until you find a common ground. Lastly, in Germany, they said if you want a successful coalition government, you must have standing meetings, even if you meet every week. Have a fixed date for the meeting of the coalition partners to troubleshoot any problem. What makes governments not to succeed, even if it is one political party, if you don't meet, problems compound and make you not progress. If you are many political parties, if you have a standing meeting every day, one day in a week, even if you have no item to discuss, you meet, and then you say there is no item to discuss, meeting closed. If there are issues you have a problem with, you refer those items to a board that will deal with troubleshooting the problems where you are not easily finding a common ground. Now, the IFP brings experience, knowledge, and commitment in taking South Africa forward. I have confidence